Stress is a nasty witch. And add to that chronic depression, well, I just don't want to deal today. But enough of that. She left me all alone. Let's do a garden tour. It's the end of September. The trees are full color change. Or at least close. They're showing their colors. The sycamore is hanging on to its last bit of leaves. It's absolutely huge. I realize in all my videos, I don't do this angle much. I have the Nurian, the Japanese maple, which I don't know, it's kind of brownish red at the moment. And massive growth. These guys are springing back quite nicely. I've got the bearded goat. They're everywhere. I regret leaving him to seed here. I'm picking them out. Sage. I still haven't cleaned up that. Don't mind the messes. Or maybe mind the messes and feel better about your own garden. We all have them somewhere, right? So, where do we want to go first? There's not too terribly much to look at. We come down here to some pretty little celosia. They're seeding. You can see the little black seeds hiding in there. I've been collecting them and sprinkling out in the meadows, so hopefully they pop up. If not, I am sowing some in the greenhouse and just planting plugs in the spring. Gotta make sure we have late season blooming, right? I don't know if you can tell that one, but he is a vibrant pink, red, something. Maybe I'm colorblind. I don't know. Our little volunteer tomatoes. My growing stuff. I need to trim down. I haven't done any of that yet, but like I said, stress and depression, they don't make for good bedfellows. So we got ourselves a cup of lavender tea and we're taking a walk. Oh, that's exciting. I think they're spreading finally. This is the red yarrow. The white has gone crazy out front. Look at all these seeds that sprouted. Are gonna die with the frost and not grow again. Honeysuckle has lots of fruit this year. Too bad I can't eat any of it. It bounced back nicely. I look at my feet a lot when I walk. Definitely a ton of blooms on the tomatilla. There we go. Will you focus? There you are. Nope, I'm gone. Next year, if I can get multiples to grow, maybe I'll have some yummy tomatillas. So we had a couple frosts, and these guys, the Wandering Jew and the pink polka dot, did die back. The tomatoes and peppers did not. Obviously the cold weather veg are super happy about the cold. But some key plants that surprise me will be obviously the tomatoes, the Jasmine Tobacco, once again showing itself rather frost hardy and shade tolerant. I'm disappointed that the black radish has gone to seed, and again it's being eaten. So the Cherokee tobacco also showing itself rather frost hardy. And the one in the shade of the sycamore tree is still blooming. So I expect to find lots of Cherokee tobacco in the meadow, which is fine. Oh, and then this guy. This guy surprised me. I mean, he doesn't look thrilled about this. But, let me sit this down. He's still disturbingly pokey, but he's still firm. Like he's got a little give. Let's not focus. There we go. A little give, but he's still firm. And then this one down here is very firm. So dragon fruit is relatively frost hardy. It got 28 is our lowest it got not last night, a couple nights ago. And yeah, there he is. Chipmunks are killing this up, but you know, whatever. I guess that's pretty much it of my surprises. I'm gonna cut some of that back. Chipmunks sowing more seeds. But that almost looks like a meadow garden. Madness. Ooh, I have one more. Here, let's go out front. So this guy over here, he's semi-evergreen. These leaves will stay firm and about this color all winter. But the surprise is this. I've got flowers on him. No buds. This one's a little frost damage, but not a lot, and will probably open up here soon. So that surprised, oh, looky, here's more. That surprised me this morning. It was a lovely surprise. Oh, my white yarrow. I'm going to take some of this out to the cottage garden. Exchange it for this guy. It's not doing terrible here. He's clearly happier at the cottage garden, but yeah. The Dahlia. We have just a touch of frost, but they did good. I contribute this to concrete and rocks, because I was under the impression Dahlia is not zone hardy here. We're 6A. We used to be 5B, but I guess we're 6A now. And I want to say, they say Dahlia's 7B or something. But this one and this one, which I started from seeds, are coming back. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Not much to write home about in the other gardens. The neighbor's rose. it survived the frost beautifully. I don't even see a touch of damage on her. She's got some nice hips too. Now, if she could just do that to the rest of this, that'd be awesome. So yeah, that's it. I had to take a break from all the legal mumbo jumbo I was doing, collect myself a salad, and realize I haven't done a garden tour yet for the end of this month. So I've been wanting to since the hard frosts, and I've seen those survive, but just too much paperwork, too many phone calls. So yeah, got around to it. I'm gonna sit out here, decompress, and then get back into it. So wish me luck.